To get Sleuth, you can go to BrainMap.org/sleuth. It's a tool that allows you to search the two BrainMap databases that we have. The first is functional imaging, and the second is anatomical data using voxel-based morphology. First, you'll need an account. The account section is on the right side panel here, and it's pretty quick to sign up for an account, and we won't share any of your information. Once you have an account, go ahead and log into Sleuth. Sleuth will save your login information, so you should only have to put this in very rarely. The default search options are limiting the context to normal mapping studies and limiting the experiments to activations only for the functional half of the database. And if you go to the voxel-based morphology database, the default search is limiting the contrast to gray matter. These are default searches just to give you some context and a guide in your searching. You can, of course, remove these and replace them with what you like. For example, if you're not interested in normal mapping, perhaps you are interested in a diagnosis. With the functional database, you can see here that we're searching 2,400 papers containing over 11,000 experiments and quite a number of subjects, locations, and other metadata. This particular search found 28 papers with over 100 experiments matching the search criteria. The search criteria was Alzheimer's, so some of the experiments must have Alzheimer's patients and some won't. You can use this results section to show more information about each experiment and choose whether or not you want to download it into your workspace. Let's go ahead and download all of them. In the workspace, there's more information shown, parts of the paper, full prose description, all the different parts. So if you're interested in the metadata, you can pick through all of the information in the paper to choose how you want your data set. Also, you can view it in a glass brain. The middle slider controls the current slice, and then the left and right sliders control how far up and down from that slice you'll view coordinates. So it shows down here that this is plus or minus 10 millimeters from the current slice is being included. That's the coordinates listed here. If you'd like more information on these coordinates, you can try clicking on them. It'll tell you which paper and a little bit of information about that location. Once you've determined exactly which experiments you want to have in your data set, it's very useful to save it to file. This workspace file saves a list of every experiment and then will download the complete information from the servers when you open the workspace. Once you've got your data set all worked out, it's very common to export it to Ginger Ale for meta-analysis right here. Now we have both a workspace and a text file containing coordinates of your data set.